How much waste are Americans creating? A new Yale-led study reveals that Americans are disposing of more than twice as much solid waste as we thought we were. This study found that Americans toss 5 pounds of trash per person per day. Let that soak in for a minute. 5 pounds of garbage per day per person, 55% of which is contributed as residential garbage. The remaining 45% of waste in America's waste stream comes from manufacturing, retailing, and commercial trade in the U.S. economy. But it gets worse. 262 million tons of municipal solid waste was disposed of in the U.S. in 2012, a 115% increase over the EPA's previous estimate. And of this waste, less than 2% is recycled. North Americans throw away 2.5 million plastic bottles every hour. Paper accounts for 25% of landfill waste. A typical business office will produce 1.5 pounds of paper waste per employee per day. Nevada was named America's most wasteful state, where each resident threw away over 14 pounds of non-recycled items per day, 8 pounds over the national state daily throwaway average. The other top wasteful states include Michigan, Virginia, Colorado, Delaware, and New Mexico. Americans represent 5% of the world's population but generate 30% of the world's garbage. U.S. waste disposal costs exceed $100 billion annually. To put this in perspective, if everyone were to live as an American, we would need 2 more Earths, 3 more if the population should double, and 12 altogether if worldwide standards of living doubled in the next 4 years. Americans throw away enough garbage every day to fill 63,000 garbage trucks, which, if lined up end to end for an entire year, would stretch halfway to the moon. Up to 60% of the rubbish that ends up in the dustbin could be recycled but isn't. Other ways to reduce waste include bringing your own bag to grocery stores, using a reusable water bottle, recycling what you can, and printing only when you need to. In sum, we are depleting precious resources and wasting money. We are wasting nearly 1 million pounds of materials per person every year. Instead, we should be doing our part to try and conserve our world since we do only have one Earth.